So if you look in the description for this video, there's a Dropbox link. In that download are the 4 custom actions that you can import into your actions list. You will need SWS extensions and I think the repack as well installed. So the first on the list is hide children, show folders. So hide children, show folders is this. You only see the folders. So it's like you get your groups. There's all the tracks. Folder, children, just the folders. The next custom action, show all children and folders only. Now, what does this look like? If I have all the tracks out, down here I've got click and old base unused. They are not in folders. So if I'm going from folders only to show all children and folders only, I get this. I get all the folders and all the children, but I don't get any other tracks visible. So for me, they're normally tracks that I've muted or that I'm not using. So there they are at the bottom. So that's what the next action is for, show all tracks. So if I only want to look at the folders, there's the first custom action. If I only want to look at the folders and their children, that's the next custom action. But if I want to make sure I see all the tracks, there's a custom action to make everything visible again. And then finally, show only children of selected folder. Now this is for when, for example, you just want to work on the drums. You click on the drums folder and then you just get the drums. Again, you can go back to seeing all the tracks. You just want to look at the effects, just the effects. Just want to look at the keyboards, just the keyboards. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions or you want the custom actions explained, leave me a comment and I can do another video going into these actions in a bit more depth. But for now, these are the 4 custom actions that I use all the time for navigating, mixing with folders. Okay, thanks very much.